Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. Dear candidates, today we will discuss very important expected statistics questions for all the written test of statistics. Before starting today's vital lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next important videos. Let's start. Question number 1 is analysis which is used to find out an unknown variable from the known variable is called, it is regression, in which one is unknown, it is called dependent variable, and one or more are independent variables. Next, which of the following techniques is used to predict the value of one variable on the basis of other variables? Regression. The term regression was first introduced in the year 1877 by Sir Francis Galton. Regression equation is also named as prediction equation, yes. B, estimating equation, yes. C, line of average relationship, it is also true. All of these. Regression modeling is a statistical framework for developing a mathematical equation that describes how one response and one or more variables are related. Next question. One use of a regression line is to estimate change in y for a unit change in x. That is the definition of regression coefficient. Next, the regression analysis, the variable that is being predicted is called response variable, predictant variable, regressand, it is called dependent variable. If one knows that the yield and rainfall are closely related, then one want to know the amount of rain required to achieve a certain production. For this purpose, we use regression analysis. Next question. The simplest device for ascertaining whether two variables are related is to prepare a dot chart. It is called scatter diagram. It is used to check the relationship between the two variables. It is a dot chart. Next is, in regression, the equation that describes how the response variable is related to the explanatory variable is called regression model. The term simple in regression is because there is one independent variable, and whenever we have more than one independent variables, it is called multiple regression. In simple regression model, there can be one dependent variable. The purpose of simple linear regression analysis is to predict one variable from another variable. The dependent variable is also called regressand, predictant, explained. Next, in a regression line of y on x, the variable x is known as independent variable. Next is, in the regression line y is equal to a plus bx, a is called intercept of the line and b is called regression coefficient. Next question is, what is alpha intercept in regression analysis? The value of the outcome when all the predictors are 0. The value of the dependent variable when all the independent variables are 0. In the regression line y is equal to a plus bx, b is called slope of the line, regression coefficient. It tells the average change in the dependent variable for the unit change in the independent variable. When regression line passes through the origin, a very important, then intercept is 0. Please keep in mind alpha is 0. Next question is, slope or coefficient of regression of y on x is by on x. This is slope. This is also slope. It is for x on y, it is for y on x, and alpha is the intercept. The regression, the slope of the intercept, actually this is the value of the dependent variable when all the independent variables are 0. Next is, regression coefficient is independent of origin. If we plus or minus in a constant value in all the values of x and y, byx and bxy are not changed, but they are changed by multiply and divide. Assalamu alaikum.